Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the Trader. This is Marie. Very strong market today. All-time high for sure. All-time it's like it was very nice how it went up yesterday by a lot, with a lot of confidence. Let's see what opportunities we find to trade today. And a lot of things are moving. That's for sure. So, Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing well. It's Friday. It's a beautiful sunny day, though a bit cold, not as cold as it used to be. And we've got a very green market, like you say, a very positive pop up. So yes, I'm in a good place right now. What about you?
Yeah, very good too. Just as you say there, very strong market. The weather here is definitely cold, but hey, not that cold. It's not as cold as 2 days ago, 3 days ago.
Yes.
So, but
feels like minus 50.
It's a beautiful day too because it's a very sunny day. So at the end, it's like, hey,
we'll take it.
Let's do the best of it.
Yeah, we'll take it.
So I saw you were updating your watch list.
Absolutely.
So
ready to go?
yeah, so I want to we can start with the indexes, but I see that we have more things moving. So let me mute this. I just want to be more update with my watch list. Like you have, I see already. Like have Novo Nordic. I have news related to a new product or something they are bringing to the market, and it was very well received. So, but do we go with the SPY first, or do you want
Absolutely.
me to go?
Well, you've covered SPY, right? So right now, I think we always should talk, but we won't stay there too long because you did a good job into saying how bullish it was. It's an all-time high, like you said. It's still it's really respecting well the VWAP, the 50 EMA, and bouncing off the 200. Looking very nicely, really strong RSI at the moment, and even as we speak, it's still popping up. Is it going to go above? Right now, if we're just charting, yes, but at an all-time high, can we expect a pullback, especially on Friday? I think that would be healthy. What do you think?
Yeah, it's definitely very good. It's. I don't have much to say in the matter. Like we don't know. I'm always concerned when I see the market popping a new 52 weeks high because most of the time that's a selling news. So if you have a good position, it's not because it's like manipulative or anything like that. Like let's say if you are making money and it's in the all-time high, it's a good time to sell. Yes, for sure, because you are liquidating at a good price. So basically the best price you can liquidate that. So good morning, buddy. Yeah, everything is doing good. Market very strong. Things are popping up. So things are looking great. So Marie, I don't know if I replied to you with what I say, but
yes,
that's my
absolutely
pick for now. So what will be next on your list?
So the first one is there. Actually, no, it got, as you were talking, got overtaken by NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is our first one. Wow. Wow. So, wow. Where's the offer? Check INET.
I am looking at it. Yeah, it's going crazy right now. So we have 4780.
What? Look at SPY as well.
Yeah, it is looking very good for sure. I didn't know if any number, I didn't see any number coming out this morning. I did check and I don't see anything that I should be lighting out. But
okay, well, we're gonna go NVIDIA very quickly because right now it makes. Whew. Okay, so when we're looking at the offer, 145.10 is one of the largest one at 241. That's really, really far, 145.10. But we do have the offer is being pulled right now really quickly.
Yeah, like I had a level yesterday at 47.80, and we are right there pretty much.
And there's a small position at 78,
Mm-hmm.
but that's about it. And then when we're looking at the offer, phew, we've got 149. That's quite large. Like I said, the bid on ARC when we're looking at INET, the offer is being pulled. 149 is quite large. At 165, we've got then 150. That's got 439. We've got 151. These are all huge. 153, we've got almost 200 at 155. One of the biggest one actually, it's 160 at 443. So, does that look quite? Oh, what?
Yeah, like
Nvidia in the 5 minutes is.
yeah, I'm following you step by step in there. It's like basically, I went like while you were talking, and I look at those prices. I went out to like I went like let's say if we go to the 60-minute chart here. So I know we are clearing up this pullback here, like this previous pullback here that was January 7, and yeah, we are all the way into those lows in there, like high today but lows of that day, and like I would like to see it at around 149.40, 149.50 and see what it wants to do. But if it clears up, hey, all the way to maybe 152. But we know how big that 150 was. I don't know if you remember the days that it pulled
but
back
it crossed it, right? No.
Yes, but what I'm saying here is like the 149,
It was
60
yeah,
and 149.80
80. It was.
are very relevant. So
They were huge.
like or if you want to round it up, like the 150. So it doesn't have to be that precise. So
Agree. It was a wall.
yeah, it was
Right?
a wall, so
A
it was
wall.
a little bit too much. So, but yeah, very strong. So let's see if we want to keep going.
That's crazy.
So it's
Okay.
taking that high there. Like that's a good like. I know it looks extended, but that 147.80, I don't see why it wouldn't be popping even higher from there. So yeah, looking good to me. Yeah. Let's see, like the relative strength on that. I kind of don't like it. Of course, now we are popping up. I know.
What you mean the relative strength?
Yeah, like one of the ways I evaluate the relative strength in the stock is observing the pre-market action. And like, yes, we went all the way up. Like, but did you see the VWAP interaction during the pre-market?
Went
It's
under.
by way
A
too
lot.
long. Yeah, so
But that's in the what? The 5 minutes?
that's gonna be even in the VWAP is the same in all the time frame. So
No, I just meant it the
like when I
in what time frame
That was
were
a
you
5
looking?
minute.
It was a 5 minutes.
Yeah, it was a 5 minute. So yeah, let's see. A pullback is very healthy. So, but yeah, I'm always looking short. I know. Good. You can go to the
Well,
next if
it's
you want.
normal because I think that it's healthy. It's at the whole-time high. The market's at the whole-time high. A lot of the stocks are almost at the whole-time high. So I think you're more healthy than most to say, hey, you know what? It could be a pullback here. There could be a rebalancing. Actually, even especially on a Friday. So, okay, next one, NVO. So Novo Nordisk.
Novo Nordisk.
Like you said, there was good news. If we're looking at the tape, there's not a whole lot of big sizes, but 90 in 89, 97, there's a position there. So 89, 97, and 90 are close. They're about 40 each. So I'm going to put that there. So at 90, it's on 90.31 now. So at 90, and see how it's going to interact there. What I more or less like. So right now, when we're looking at where it is right now, it seems like it's a huge pop up, but when we're looking at Novo, it's been losing, like it's been tanking from 148 this summer. So there's definitely room to grow for Novo with this kind of good news. What I don't see is anything on the tape. So right now, one of the biggest one is at 91.65 for the offer, and that's at 47. And there is a 30 at 93. So I'm gonna put that there at 93, but I'm gonna have to take a smaller time frame there. Let's go at 93 here. And 93 was pretty much popped this morning. Pre-market high.
Exactly. Novo is a stock I'm gonna use for
Oh, you're
for
testing?
I think, yeah.
I like.
Like yesterday, yes, Nvidia was a good candidate, but I find because when we were looking at the pre-market action, it was a little bit too sideways. It had more trouble trading the sideways move. So
Yeah, it was just it's not a bad thing, right? It was hesitating to go in because it was consolidating.
yeah, but at the end, it took all the trades. It took the 5 trades,
Okay.
meeting the criterion,
Oh, good job.
and even like that, it wasn't able to perform that well. So, like, it didn't do horrible, but it didn't do good.
Okay.
So it's like that. It's gonna turn around and then we. So this is NVO.
Mm-hmm.
And 24.
So then-
25.
I'm gonna while you do that, I'll continue
It's already
looking.
done. We can keep going.
Oh, you Greg. God, you're quick.
So you have another, or it's still not novel?
No, the
CCL?
next one, yeah, it's going to be CCL 25. So CCL right now, when we're looking at the range, it's trading right now at a support level. It used to be a resistant. It cleared that actually a few days ago, and 25 is as a support level. So when we're looking at the tape, 25 is the largest, surprise, surprise, it's the largest position at about 40 at 25. What we don't have is a whole lot of position to the offer. We've got 2670, 2680, and that's pretty much the top that it was a few days ago at 2680. So this could be the range of Novo of CCL for today. Pull back to 25. I don't see anything on the tape suggesting that. It's still early. That's what I'm seeing. It's coding at the moment. It's a little bit difficult to see, but it is trading under the VWAP, under the 50 EMA, though respecting the 200 in the 5 minutes. 200 EMA in a 5 minute.
Yeah, like the 25 is so far that I will be considering this CCL a short, pretty much. Like yes, we trade okay during the yesterday. So, but it doesn't seem to have sign of life in there. It's like
I know to be up there, but we don't have a lot of volume today, so.
like if you see, look how this is like if we have like those, like let's say 2 trend line here, look how it is compressing, and that compression, like, to me it's not looking like a long. Look how far we are from the VWAP, look how far we are from the EMA. So maybe it can do a crazy move toward the VWAP just to shake to shake it out, but like to trade above the VWAP.
You'd see a short from the VWAP.
Yes.
Okay.
And the VWAP is being optimistic. So, because you have this major level here at like 4 cents below. So that 25.64, 25.65. You see how it kind of topped in there before?
Absolutely.
So if it doesn't break that. By the way, I have another 2 short in Nvidia.
Ooh.
And I'm gonna get filled very soon.
Wow. Okay, understood. Do you want to add anything else to CCL?
No, CCL, I think, breaking down now. So, yeah.
You did. Okay, next one. My friend QBTS. So, wow. So when we're looking at,
Okay, I got the short on NVIDIA.
oh,
So, yeah, QBTS.
so QBTS a little bit different than how it looked yesterday. So right now, though it's trading at about the same levels, it's definitely it's showing some strength. So it's respecting well. It's above the VWAP. It's above the 50 and the 200 EMA, and that's in all time frames. So what I am looking on the tape. So we've got it's a crowded tape at the bid, up to 580. Oh, that 580. Damn. 580. So 580 yesterday was there as well. I erased everything, but I am going to put that back again. So 580 is quite big, but before that, we've got a significant stack going up to 6. And that 610 is the VWAP. So I'm going to be interested at the 610 for to see how qubits is behaving there. But there's not a whole lot. 576 at 220, like I said, the stack going to 580. There's not a whole lot of big position past that. So we do have, though, a very crowded offer tape, a big position at 673. 673.
673.
Yeah, it's 1,000.
It's quite far, right? Like that was a previous stop, but yeah.
That's what I mean. So that's why you took the words right out of my mouth. Me gusta. So yes, so that was, and that previous stop was not far away. It was yesterday, right? So at 673. So there's a big position there. But there's as well more position. It's like there's a stack going up to 650. There's 650. The position is 317, 660, 281, 665, 66. So really close. I haven't seen that in a while for qubits. So what are you saying?
Yeah, like that play that you used to call in CCL, basically. Like I see qubits. A little bit different, like the opposite, I will say.
Okay.
So we are not working away too far from the VWAP, so I will count that as a positive thing. And now we are claiming back up the VWAP. So you have this big participant here, like telling me, hey, you know what? If we get to 673, I might be able to sell my shares. So, like the way that this has been holding between 5.5, I know we mentioned that level every day pretty much. But 5.5 and 6 or 620, 630, it's about $1 range. It's a lovely way that he's doing it. So like this thing, like it could be tanking right now, but it is not. In the matter that like, hey, you know how this was very sensitive toward like with the news of a quantum and their expectations and all those things. Just that news create that big flush here. We are still trading below here, but the fact that I don't see more continuation toward the downside is telling me, you know what, like this 627 is totally doable. Why not? Like I mean, why we couldn't get there? And
I'm interested.
To me, it's a long.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe
I'm
around
interested.
the VWAP.
Exactly. And when we're looking at the tape, that stacking that pulls it to there, yes, I'm interested. I'm not sure if it's, I'll take a bite at the VWAP, but I think it could go to 6 and then add. I won't go big on it because I do remember being smoked a few times by qubits. So I still feel the burn. I'll be a little bit more conservative there. So now, did you want to add anything on qubits?
No, basically long, and I definitely will be looking at some point. And I think, let's see if we can buy any dips on it. And looking long.
Me too. So then we've got IBIT. So that's a big pop from the yesterday. So we've got a PCL of 58.79 for or 58.80, 58.79. So when we're looking at that, and it's obviously well above that PCL. If we're looking at the tape, there's not a whole lot to the offer that's there. We've got the biggest position of 59 to the offer, to the bid. I'm sorry, I said offer, but 59 to the bid. It's not too far for 59. But then when we're looking at the offer, definitely a whole lot more on that tape. We've got 60. We've got a stack right now where it is, starting at 59.87, going to 60. And
Like
that
that?
stack would represent about, I would have to say, quickly counting, about 500 shares.
It's very close, that one.
It's right there.
Yeah.
So you should be
Those
entering.
are no shares, those are lot. Sorry about that. But they are lot.
Yeah, okay, lot.
So multiply that by 100.
Yes, exactly. So thank you for that correction. So it's going there right now, and that's about what we can see on IBIT. There's not a whole lot more. The 60, possibly, there's maybe about 40 lots there, and that's about it. What do you see, Dave?
Yeah, like I like IBIT, but like maybe a pullback from what it is right now. Like what I see here is that like, hey, this is Bitcoin. You just have to look at it like, well, it's not Bitcoin. It's but
It's
it does
crypto.
exactly the same what Bitcoin does. Like I learned with SAC because I was mistaken. I thought that they include all the all the cryptocurrencies that were approved by the SEC.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's only Bitcoin. So this is a chart of Bitcoin if you don't want to buy Bitcoin. Like basically, if you don't want to have cryptocurrency, like by any chance because of your,
It's volatility, whatever.
like this is moving exactly as Bitcoin.
Mm.
So, and like what I was saying is like I am very familiar with the chart on Bitcoin in the longer term, and like it's like we have trouble. Like this is a daily, but let's look at the weekly. The same thing. So we have been trading here. Like yes, we went a little bit higher this week, but basically before we were trading like this, like well way before. Like sorry, my bad. It's like this line is wrong. So we were like this.
Sideways, choppy.
Slightly lower, and like if we say like this, so this could be like a possible bottom here. Like so, we have been trending like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks. So it's about 2 months, maybe more, of this sideways. Like Bitcoin will go back to 100,000, go back down to 97. Go back to 100. So because of these fluctuations, it's like at some point it's gonna break for sure, I think, and it's gonna be very juicy. But until we break with confidence, I will be seeing like if I take IBIT again, IBIT, and I say let's look at the 30-minute chart. This is an extension here. So like this is an extension to the prices that we are trading for the last 11 weeks. So because it is like that, I will be favoring shorts until we really clear the 61 for good.
Okay.
So I don't know if that makes any sense to
Yeah,
you, but
absolutely.
you see how basically like we go there, we went even higher. We went to 61, but don't higher than that. Then like 61, but drop back to 57. So just
So you're expecting a pullback.
I'm expecting a pullback.
Okay.
Like bull market is an all-time high. We don't know if Bitcoin is gonna do all-time high today. Like who? Look at that trade on Nvidia. I don't sleep on it, but it's like let's see if this thing really wanna flush. You learn to not jump into this reaction, but hey, let's see.
It's hard.
Very very technical price here. So are we gonna go back up and like just get a snap there? Probably, but it was the shot for me, and that's why I decided to do it. And yeah. Next, like you have trap on IBIT.
No.
What I say?
I've been going down the line, like in listening to. So next one is Apple.
Apple.
Ah,
What? Ooh la la! This is no good. Look at the push. Well, it's not good. It's healthy for sure.
Well, for sure. So when we're looking at
Sleepy apple.
so when we're looking Apple at the end of December, it was trading at 260. Whew. So in about a month, it's lost a lot. It's lost what, 36? So it's been on the downward trend. Where it's different here is that we found that bottom at about 219. We can say 219.50.
Good morning, Zach.
Morning, Zach.
Yeah.
At 219.50, 219.45, we found that bottom there. And it's it seems to be either wanting to retest that bottom but like, wow. I don't know what to say about Apple. That is crazy. We've got a huge position at 222.61.
Yeah. Today I ignored my 5-minute alarm, so market's open.
Oh, good for you.
Good
Look
for
at
me.
you. Ignoring? Okay. Look at
Sorry
that.
about that.
That's okay. So Nvidia is pulling back. I really look at that pullback. Okay, SPY is going through. Okay, that candle on Nvidia is absolutely mental. Did you see
it's
that?
very nice candle. I understand that.
Nvidia's pulling back.
I'm sorry for whoever missed it, but I didn't miss it. So
What? You didn't miss what?
the short on Nvidia.
Oh, you got it?
No, it's like I went pre-market in,
Oh yeah, that's
I-
right. You said you put the position there.
and
Woo!
that's how we begin the day. Ooh, I add by mistake. Okay, it's okay. I'm still correct. So that was not the right move because I add at a bad price, but I'm okay. Let's let it go. Oh no! I have to survive that push up because like as I say, I add by mistake.
Okay.
And that was
Yeah,
not what
that
I wanted to
worsened
do.
your price,
By
right?
a lot, yeah, by way too much.
Uh-huh.
So next time, pay more attention and stop talking things that doesn't give anything to your trade. So yeah, it's okay. It's not a big deal. It's just like when you got a good price and worst thing, it's like not the best to do. So, but we're gonna be a little bit more disciplined, and what we're gonna do is that we're gonna push another little bit more. That really worsened my price by a lot. Like I doubled it by mistake, but. Come on, go for it, and there we go, my guy. Okay, these push-ups are crazy, man. It's like I think I'm gonna have to do it manually because if I don't do it manually, I won't get that. I don't want to put a market order, so I'm gonna put a limit order. If not, I won't be able to get the good price for the fill up. So let's see. I have an order at 60 just to get something like I think it's like 5R maybe. There we go, and we ring the bell.
Woo! That is a really good trade. Good job, David.
You miss QBTS?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what I want to do now? Well, I have to keep the homework, so let's see. Yeah, it's gonna go back up. What is SPY doing?
So SPY's pulling. It's actually pushing. So I don't understand what's happening. Nvidia is definitely not a line or like something.
I think it is a line. Like at some point, I may should be out very soon of this trade. It's a good trade, but it's just like I don't have to sleep on it. There is a reason why I took it when I took it,
Okay.
and the reason why I took it say that it is aligned with the market. So because the SPY is pushing up the way it is pushing up,
Okay.
I should be considering being out of the trade or reloading at somewhere else better. So
Was able to. No, I'm just enjoying your energy.
oh no, that was a banger. Like I mean, it's like just the way I played that trade is. Things never come that clear to anybody. I think to myself as well. Like I mean, it's like it's never that clear. So like the fogginess that we get is like, oof. Why did that happen? Well, now we know why it happened. In this specific case, it doesn't mean I know anything. It's like. We're gonna take another 25% or something like that. Well, let's see at this price. Yeah, let's take another bite. Yeah. I have an order to get my partial at 147.30.
Mm-hmm.
So and probably gonna be looking long soon. Nvidia. But damn, like it's like that was an easy trade.
I love it.
Come on, go for it, Nvidia. Go for it. I'm in front of those folks. You can get me there. Go. Go.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
I bit testing the VWAP.
Now I have to look for the reload on Nvidia. If I ever gonna I bit. Okay, I want to see Novo Nordic. Tanking Novo Nordic is just tanking. I guess the so far didn't took any trade yet.
Look at PLTR.
Yeah. PLTR. Do we want to kill PLTR too? I'm sorry.
Davey's on the Friday.
I'm on a Friday
mood. Yeah?
mood. Beautiful trade. Damn it. It's like take another 25% just for the fun of it. Are you kidding me?
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Zach, I hope you are watching, my guy, because this is fantastic.
I like it a lot. Gracias,
Nice.
Dumbo.
So, let's unfold another percentage there. Like, right there. Another partial in. Come on, you can go for it. Okay, I have to cancel all that order and go back to. There we go. Okay, go for me. That might be the reversal.
On Nvidia?
Yeah, but maybe no. Maybe no. I have another partial. My partial is 146.36. But I should be looking the other way now here. So, yes, it was in the level 2. Okay. Okay, you are pulling back that way. Okay, Nvidia. No, it's not gonna do it. Novo Nordic still tanking. What I like is that this thing, look, Novo Nordic is tanking. Hey, no trades for it. 0 trades, 0 hits.
I love it.
So once it get the clear parameter, it will go in. So NVDA. There we go. There we go. That's not a pretty candle for you with that type of flush. What is Apple doing? Apple was the third one.
Yep.
Did you get the QBTS?
I'm building a position now.
Very nice, very nice. Popping
Good.
up that VWAP. Even like I am interested on that one there. Okay. Some acceleration on Nvidia state right there. And that might be toward the long side. Let's see. I don't know. Like this candle is very ugly here. I don't like that candle. But yeah, in the 1 minute, it's just come like looking more downside. So in the 1 minute, let's say we're gonna go for, and we're gonna ring that bell very soon. You gonna go for it, my guy? I think so. Come on, you can do it. You don't do that. Do it, do it, do it. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Hey.
So SPY's interacting with the top and seems to be wanting to push through.
Yeah, there we go. Now that's what I like. Make it looks make it look weak for them to put that type of candle. And yeah, for sure. Okay. Load it. How is your QBTS doing?
Did not do good.
Didn't do
Pulled
good?
back through, and now I'm waiting for it to settle. See how it's going to react at around the 610, 615.
Okay. Why is so funny, Marie? There we go. Go for it. There we go. Partial. Then for one, yeah, come on. A little bit.
I love it.
Mm-hmm. It's just patient. You just have to be a little bit patient. And how many times do I go in there and saying, "Oh yeah, it's gonna work"? It doesn't work, and now I'm in the other side. So
Love your clarity today. It is amazing.
but as I say, like I don't take much credit for that because like it was an easy trade, so it's not like yeah, it was not that elaborated. I'm just gonna wait for it whenever.
Well, be careful how you say that because I got smoked completely on Nvidia, so it's not that easy.
Yeah, but you were going long.
Yeah. Well,
There
that's
is
what I
some-
mean.
That is only one mistake.
I love it. Oh God. Watch out, world. Baby's coming.
I like what I see on Nvidia for the flipping. Maybe I'm gonna have to liquidate everything. Okay, let's see. And there we go. I told it, like, come on, go for it. I see that tape. Okay. Just walk away, you don't have to stare at it. So, Nordic. What is a SPY doing?
200.
Wow, a SPY is just like a SPY is at $610 with 55 cents.
Limit.
Hmm. Okay. I'm gonna reload a little bit on Nvidia instead of me, and will break even anyways.
Okay.
So I just add a little bit there, and yeah, breaking even anyways. As I say, like it's a free trade, like whatever is left. So I just wanna see because this, as I say, I was looking to flip to the other side. So I'm looking for my next trade. So let's see what we find. Okay, so if I take that one here, PLTI is just flying.
Yup.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, I could be more patient on that one, so that's a for sure.
On which one?
On Nvidia, like I add, and
Okay.
I did add the VWAP. That's okay. And as I say, well, close to the VWAP. It was the overnight VWAP, but yeah, like now there's a high chance that it will get me out, but just to follow the rules, my rules, I want to break even on that trade. So if it get me out, and I think it's still worth another shot, I will do it. But for the rules purpose, I'm gonna be breaking even. So I have on my next trade already. Like I know what I want to do next.
Short PLTR.
You read my mind, or you're looking at my charts?
I'm already there.
You are there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's a good price, I think.
Yep, I went
And
short.
I would like to take a different approach because of how strong the market is. So, and that approach will be about there pretty much. Like, yeah. Yeah, let's go PLTR just a little bit there. And let's see if it's worth it. Yeah, I got PLTR. Little bit, just a little bit. So, yeah, Nvidia is going good. Like it's going back up. So, the tape, Nvidia tapes. Hey, Nvidia was such a good trade. Like I think I will be out anyways. Just out for good.
Why?
Like instead
It's
of
gonna pull back, baby.
yes, but the market is very strong. So like
Oh, look at IBID.
I agree. Yeah, like what I'm saying here, like my average is 147.93. Like yeah, IBIT is pulling back. Nvidia, yeah, like he got me out. So yeah, that's what I said. Like now it's gonna go 48, and then it might move in my favor. But hey, I don't wanna mess it up. As I say, it's like the one I will be hitting harder is gonna be PLTR. I know I have 50% of the trade on PLTR, 50% of the size. I don't have to be too right about that. I want to add to PLTR. I want to add to PLTR. I should be adding pretty much right now, but like maybe at the top. Let's see. Yeah, I have another to add at the top of PLTR. Let's go back to NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA, as I say, like
SPY's at the view up right now.
SPY's at the view up. Oh yeah. There is a high chance that PLTR is not gonna offer me the ad. So I have to make peace with, do I wanna add right now, take the risk, or do I want to wait? And I think if I go to SPY, I do want to wait. Because PLTR it has been so strong and like
And SPY's
and
respecting.
SPY is above the view up. So do I really want to fight with it? No, I'm gonna wait for it to go back up. I already have a little bite, so if I am correct, it's gonna manifest anyways on my favor. So what is Novo Nordic doing? They're still tanking, like oof. Did this over took any trades? Strategy. Yeah, the so far took a $1 loss, literally.
Wow.
This is how we do it. Look at that thing, like what I told you. It's like, well, what I told you. What happened to both of us all the time? Got out, then move. So that, you know, like why it happened?
Why?
Like, because we have half of the equation correct in the matter.
Ooh.
So like what are we using? What I'm using normally? Like, well, this case is different. Like, I mean, like that's why I say I prefer to be all out with 1 hour plus in that last batch.
Mm-hmm.
But the reason for that is because like I see there was a big size at 148 and it's still there. Look, 149, 148. They are very quiet there. But this is a bullish tape. To me, that's a bullish tape on Nvidia. So, but what I'm saying here is like, if you see the 148, just 7 cents from like, you have to say, oh, you have to take a decision of, I want to move my stop loss above the big guy, but even if I do that, it will get me out because it wake it up
True.
by 17 cents. So like, and then it move, but I'm not convinced that tape is a short though. Like, the move here was clear, and now it's a clear,
Okay.
the opposite, you know. Like, yeah, it's okay.
It's okay? Is it okay?
Yeah.
I like it.
I like the discipline of today. That's,
I love it. Yeah. Very, very clear.
That's what we need to get through to that discipline. Because like, I say, well, but it's pre-market. I don't want to take that Nvidia there. But hey,
Because you usually don't.
no, but when the trade is so clear, like once it opened, it didn't offer it. It didn't offer my entry anymore. Once it opened, it went very close. Like you remember that missing the bid for by 2 cents, 3 cents, 1 cent.
Yes, yes,
That
yes.
was after the open. So you put your order like at where I have it. Like I had my order at 149, and I moved it because I thought it was not gonna offer it. Then when the market opened, it went 148.97, 3 cents below, and then flush. So
It does look, yeah. It does look like a bullet tape on Nvidia, but
it's a little bit flippy now. Like, do you see the 147, 56, 59?
oh yeah.
Yeah. It's, there's a big guy there.
Mm-hmm.
Like it doesn't matter if the trade works or not. What I find I'm doing better this week is not fighting the major trend. And if like you say, oh, but BLTR is a long, well, BLTR is a long, but I took it at a very technical level. So if you break out, it's just a one red trade, and then I need to flip my size.
I like it or not.
What we are normally not willing to do. Flippy. Though in PLTR I have another to add. Not to do the opposite, so let me see. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna get the add on PLTR. It's very close to my order, so get me there. I know you want that, so that's a nice 1 minute candle. Go for it. Go for it. Come on, I'm right there. Okay, I won't rush it. Don't put Nordic. It's funny how they did finish the.
Yep. Just
Oh yeah, PLTR is gonna offer it. Like, I just have to be patient. Like I see the tape here in PLTR. There is 8110, which is heavy. So I am 8103. So it should get me there right now. About like in a couple of seconds, it should get my entry, like my add, because it's an adding point. So
81.
yeah, there we go. There we go. 81. It's gonna print 81. That's gonna be funny there. I guess so. 81. There we go. I got it, and now it's going all the way back up. How do you look like? Let's see, my guy. Let's see. LTR.
8150.
Okay. It's pushing at 8007, 8107. It's pushing decent. Yeah, so do I feel like holding this? Let's see.
For PLTR?
Yeah,
You've got a really good price.
I know. I'm sorry, Maria. I sleep a little bit better. Just
No! It doesn't show. You hide it well. Okay.
I think since we have been talking this morning, I have been a little bit too cutting.
What?
Like, yeah. How you call that? Edgy?
I call it edgy, but I'm not using that term anymore. You've got an edge, which is a good, it's a cutting edge.
Do you know that in Spanish we have the same? It doesn't have the same connotation.
Okay.
Like, but like again, we go through those like limitation with my language barrier and things like that. Like in Spanish, you will say, "Oh, uh, you are speaking muy cortante," and cortante is like
It's different for us.
cutting,
Short.
like it's like Sharpie, like
See, short.
and it's,
We got that too.
oh yeah,
Yes, you're short today. You're speaking short. You're so that means like it seems you've got low patience, low tolerance, and you gotta get it done. Let's go. Let's go. So we got that too. You're being short with me. Why are you being short with me?
oh yeah.
But in your case, it's more like an edge. It's not being short. It's you're being
Like being sharp and cutting. Like,
sharp. Exactly. Right. You've got a very fine edge today.
What is SPY doing? Like, let's go back to SPY. Look at SPY. What happened to you, my guy?
It just went bye-bye, huh?
Yeah. And PLTR all the way hang up with there. Like it's I may cancel the PLTR, but like what happened is let's put it out there. Like the best price to short is not the price we have. Like yes, we have a okay price for now because the SPY is already going in front of it. But the best price to short in PLTR right now, in my opinion, is 82, and we are far from 82 yet. So if we print 82, I shouldn't be looking for that short. Do you see the stock under stress? When SPY is even selling ahead? No, it's not. Like PLTR is very
You
high
say
right
no,
now.
but yeah.
Yeah, the RSI, yeah. The RSI is screaming. It's like, but it's still very high. So, some call Warren buying SPY. Novo Nordic. Novo Nordic is doing nothing. This is how we do it. The only thing I can see is like, yeah, it's like the trader is looking okay. So I don't feel too confident about that trade, but
No?
if I listen to the fluctuation, it's okay. It's like, I mean,
No, what the hell?
like look at 81.54, 500 load at 85.54. Will I be able to survive that? I think for me to survive that, I'm gonna have to break a rule, and that I don't like it. Let's say, let's wait for it. Maybe it's gonna wake it there. I actually want to see what they are doing. Are they pulling out, pulling down, pulling up? 26, 27, 30. Yeah, they are pulling up. Pulling up now, pulling down. Yeah, okay. I don't know what happened there. The tape is looking a little bit distinct at that 81.30, 81.20, and yeah, now we are a little bit flushy, and yeah, those sellers are stepping down, and that normally is indication of probably a down move. We have a solid participant at 81.54 with 500 lot on. I'm talking that PLTR. So it is suggesting that I can get a better price for my short. So probably I have to go out of the trade and get it back somewhere else. And but what is SPY doing? SPY.
Right now it's interacting with the PCL. Isn't it?
It's like it's annoying because like we have that chart. I don't know what happened to that chart, but like I cannot see it very good in there. So PCL on the SPY is 609.75, and we are like 10 cents from there, 5 cents. So 5 to 7 cents. So but under the VWAP, and under the VWAP after having a all-time highs. As I said before, it's not that it's a bad thing. It's that hey, if you are selling at all-time high, you are selling at the best price.
Mm-hmm.
So if you are a machine or something that want to sell at the Optimus price. That sounds like Transformer thing.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
But it's Optimus
Primal.
Prime. No price, Prime. But yeah, but the price, so you will be selling the high. And that's natural. That's okay. And it's not conspiranoic.
It's not a what?
It's not a conspiracy. It's the process. Like you know how, like you hear people saying, like, "Oh, the market's gonna tank. Oh, the market's gonna tank." Yes, it could pull back at any point, and that's good. But this market is hell strong. Like, I'm sorry. I'm gonna mute myself for a little bit.
No, don't. God darn, it's gorgeous. I love it. Love the energy. He brings it to the table on Friday, but he's got it.
I'm gonna try that we begin Monday like that, right?
I like that a lot.
Yeah,
a
PLTR
lot.
sellers are stepping down a little bit too much, in my opinion. And VWAP will be a partial for me. That VWAP is about 50 cents from now, which is not bad. The PLTR shirt too, nice. I like it.
Oh.
You have a good gauge to know when I am a liar.
No.
Which is nice. It's nice. I appreciate it a lot.
I love it. I love it. The world sees your alignment.
Okay, SPY. Wow, I bet it's looking nice. It's holding that top in there, and okay, PLTR stepping back up. Now PLTR is gonna go to the 181, 81.54. Is 54 the price?
Okay.
And I feel comfortable holding it. It's just I am aware that I am breaking a rule by saying that. So and that's what I don't like, maybe the breaking the rule. But
It doesn't feel right.
yeah, it's not the best to do. It's just, like even money wise, it's not the best to do because like I could be easily saving about 25 cents in this, and instead of saving these 25 cents per share, it's like I decide to hold, and then what if when you get there I'm wrong? Then
It's even better.
the 25 cents that I could be saving plus the loss, so it's it compound on your subconscious, I guess. But I believe in the trade, definitely. I believe in the trade, and I think it say it will work. But yeah, you see, now we go 54. If you print 54, I need doesn't flush. I'm gonna be for good out. So yes, I decided to hold too. So I did decide to hold it, and could probably add a little. You know what? That's a good thing to do.
Add as it pops.
Add with the guy. Yeah, yeah. Let's do that. Here we go.
It might be going to 82.
Yeah, but let's see if I can save those commissions, like those not commission, those couple cents that I say I could be saving. You see, I have the order to add. I cannot get the ad
Oh no?
yet. Not yet. It's not offering yet, and like it's a lot of front running right there. What is that? That's Nvidia. Look at Nvidia. What happened with Nvidia?
Pues baila.
What happened? Like I look how much I left on the table.
Ah, sí. That was insane. I know, Dumbo. So right now, though, at 146 on Nvidia, huge position, double. It's a double shield. What it's going to happen there, we don't know, but I think it's going to go to 145. Yep, swallowed that 146.
Something I'm seeing with this thing is like with what I'm doing today, or today. Like as I say, like it was last weekend that I was looking at the thing, like me going against so many trends and blah blah blah. Those things are not working good because you are just going against a major trend.
Mm-hmm.
Something I can see as a value is the ATR indicator there. Because if you attach the ATR, like let's say if you are counting on the ATR from those extensions, you kind of know by how much the stock is extended at that point.
Okay.
So like yes, now I'm using more like the RSI, like the RSI is looking super strong on PLTR. So of course I don't trade the RSI, like it's just an indication for me to say, you know what, maybe this can keep going higher or lower.
Mm-hmm.
It's just an indication, a signal. So guy with 54 didn't get the fill yet. So but I think he will, like he's very patient. Didn't move his size.
It didn't move?
He didn't move. Or it didn't move, whatever it is, it just didn't move. You know what? I'm gonna move my order. Should I do it? I will be okay doing it if we go back to 54. It's okay, I'm gonna hold. It's okay. The tape is accelerating a lot, like, yeah, it's a bit stepping down, like, very bad. But wasn't it doing that like 20 minutes ago? Yes, it was.
Was it?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was. This is how we do it. Yeah, let's just exercise our patience here. So
How clear things?
I don't know, Mary.
Cannot wait for you to watch this one.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit too funny like this.
Oh, impressive.
Okay, there we go. We go for the 50 guy on the. There we go. We're gonna get our fill. What was PLTR? PLTR. There we go. There we go. We got our partial, and now I'm gonna put that. Yeah, that's it. So I have my. It will get me out at the best price. Like the same thing. You see when I say the right thing of the equation? Right now I put my stop loss above the 54, 50 cents above. What is it? 82. So. And this thing is just flying. Like, are you kidding me?
PLTR?
Yeah.
Steep, eh?
Yeah, very. Sure. I'm not that sure about this one. Okay. Were you able to survive? No?
Nope. Nope. Price was not. Well,
But
I had 3 cents difference in you only. No, 4 cents difference in you only, but wasn't able to. My position though was bigger than yours.
Yeah.
Right? You were
That's-
more
that's the idea, like-
conservative. Yeah. You were more conservative, so it made you survive that pull, that push up.
So NVIDIA, now it will be hard to trust NVIDIA right there
Mm-hmm.
to the long. But yeah, so SPY is still tanking. PLTI on its own. Aren't you shorting the strongest stock? Yes, I am.
You are.
Do I have a okay price? I do have a okay price. But the tests haven't been confirmed, so that's the problem. Like,
The test is what?
haven't got confirmed, so like what I'm saying by that, I'm saying maybe it is healthy to just get out of the trade at a decent price and hang out your entry. If it gets you, it gets you. If it doesn't get you, good. If it doesn't get you. But right now it's going there. Look at that. Okay, let's look at the sizes. 77 and then 80s. 77 quite heavy right now. Okay, now the other side came into participation. First time I saw them at 81.70. Okay, what that print looks like. 73,
82 is-
74, going back up, very nice. So 70 was heavy, very heavy. So my average is at 14. So now 81. That bit got heavy at 81.
Wow.
Yeah, I like that's
Yeah, the tape is still like that double shield at 82 is ginormous.
yeah. So let's see. Really think I want to be out of the trade, but like, yeah, start flipping my head around because like I see the bid stepping in twice, and now yeah, if we lost the 70, yes, I'm gonna be more quiet. But we are holding those 70 so good, and the first bid was at 71, and the second was at 80 something. So and we are not giving the 70s away. So if the 70, yeah, okay. Now are you gonna give the 70s away? Okay, so. Remember that it doesn't have to. Okay, CCL. What did we say about CCL? Short.
Right.
Yeah.
And it found a double bottom there, but. So SPY as stuck.
Maybe we can say it's the time like
It's a time.
where are you? Yeah, like about this time you have a tendency to say spice stock. Novo Nordic just keep tanking, and this thing doing okay actually for how that stock is looking like. This is doing okay. This is a total loss.
Oi!
So for how this is looking like, it's okay. Mm, 82. You know, like that's a like I was going to look at my P&L, like and I say, like it's like why would I do that? Let's say, well, to justify the loss I'm holding on paper on PLDR, like
Okay.
because I haven't taken it yet. So, but like Yeah, and like if I look at that, I say I want to be out of this thing. Like,
Do you?
but that's exactly that. Like, yeah. So if I know that 82 is the point, I wouldn't add more, but I already see the pulling of it. So yeah, there we go. We go 82. And that tape above there is just crazy again. It's like, let's see what is the print on this. 8201. Okay, let's now what you have. Now let's see what you have under the hood. It's,
In the print?
the print is strong, so I am concerned about that.
Mm-hmm.
Like what I should be doing, it was to be out at that point, and yeah. Mm. Oh no! I guess the way to say it, let's be fair with everything. Like, even if this trade work at the end of the day,
Mm-hmm.
poor trade management, for sure. Like, I mean, like I know why I'm holding. Like, I have a reason to hold this trade that far, but it's not justifiable. So why it is not justifiable? Because I can get the same trade way cheaper. So when I was talking, I should be out and get it, like save that 25, maybe 50 cents on it. That was the right move. Now it's like, you let it go to where you shouldn't be letting it go. Now when you get me out, it's gonna be. If he does get me out, I don't think he's gonna get me out. But if he does get me out,
It's going to be painful.
it's gonna be painful. Yeah. Let's see. Of course, I have to be like a machine and don't let that affect my trading. So just correct it for next one, and that's it. So yeah, it's just numbers. You know, it's like technically numbers doesn't have feelings or psychological barriers.
No, machines don't.
Numbers neither.
No, it's who. It's 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 what
QBTS.
handles the numbers.
So QBTS. So for anybody watching there, my stop loss is 82.29. 82.29 is my stop loss on PLTR.
Okay.
If you get there, I'm gonna be out. As I say, it's gonna be painful, but it's okay. I have to pay the price for my mistakes, and that will be one of them. So we go Nova Nordic, and this thing is just tanking, and it's like for tanking. I guess this thing is taking a trade right now. Yeah, it took
Is
another
it?
trade. Yeah, it took another trade right there. So now it's working in the exit of it, and there we go. Like it works or it didn't work. Later, I can talk about why did I decide to hold this, because right now it's manifesting exactly what it's doing, what it's supposed to be doing if I got it at 82. But because I didn't wait, all those things. So, but I can say like why I held it later on. Like let's just see how it plays. I don't want to look at it too much because the plan now is I'm out of the plan. I did a binary choice, like binary choice. Like I put the stop loss. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. So I can remove myself out of the trade right now because I took the decision. So whatever I think about is gonna be useless. So yes, Marie, you can say what I am saying too wrong.
Me gusta mucho.
So Tesla is very narrowing. Look at this chart in Tesla, Marie. That's a 5-minute chart. Like, oof, how frustrated should be to trade that thing? Like, I mean,
Whew, $4 gaps here and there. Ah, shit.
no, like I look at the candle, like a huge, like.
Yeah, that's what I
Look in the
mean.
1 minute. Look at the 1 minute. So
Let's say clearer.
yeah, the 1 minute.
We're good. We're good.
Yeah.
We're good. We're good.
Yeah, the 1 minute.
Yeah. We're good.
So guys, if you see me celebrating later about PLTR printing good, be aware. The guy hold it for too long. No right thing to do. So, but yeah, still can be a profitable trade. Did you take a look at American Airlines today?
No.
Again, fighting with those $17, 1708, 1700. Yesterday, I look at the end of the day because I want to see what was the closing price, and it was 1703, 1704, 1703. And yeah, I was like, you remember we had a decent order at 17. So yeah. Seems to be landed at that 17. So
It landed?
yeah, found the ground there. So for you and I talking later too, like that PLTR is gonna be relevant. If
Okay.
you see, look what it's doing. But you hear me 10 times saying the good price to short was 82. If you took 82, how much heat will you be taking now? Like, are
A
you
lot
kidding me?
less than taking it at that price.
Yeah, so yeah. But now like the pullback could be major pullback, and well, I don't think that's a pullback. That was the extension of it, I think. So
SPY right now is interacting with the 50.
yeah, it's true. You have a 5. Like, let me look at it right now. Because I think my 50 here. Yeah, that's a like. Can I see your 50? That's a 50 5-minute, right?
Right there.
Yeah, you have the one that I did. Like, do you know that 50 is a 1-minute 50?
No.
Yeah, like the chart is a 5-minute, but the indicator is a 1-minute. That's why. Like,
I did not know that. I don't want that. Why would
maybe
the
you want that
indicator?
because you train the 1 minute. Like the indicator. Like I have it plotted the indicators for the time frame I take the trades, which is 5 minutes. But as I am looking all the time at the 5 minutes, I just put directly the 5 minutes. I don't have to convert the number. But in yours, they are convert for the 1 minute.
Okay.
That's why if you see yours is on the bottom. No, like the price is below the EMA, and my price is above the EMA.
Because you've got it in the 5 minutes.
Yeah. So when they go apart for too much, it shows a little bit more. So
Makes sense.
SPY is tanking now. Now, PLTR lost the 8171, which was the heavy bid that we got before. So that right now that guy might be a little bit under stress, and let's see if he's gonna be liquidating somewhere else. And basically, we came back to like everybody is even offering below 70, above 70 now, 80, 70 now. So PLTR, but yeah, let's see. I want to see this offer below 50, and of course, when I say below 50, I'm talking about the sizes as well. Like, there we go. There we go. Now the sizes that were offering 70, they are offering 60. So now they are stepping down and offering even 55, 59, 57, 58. So rinse and repeat. So 58, 59.
SPY pushing up.
And SPY like look now heavy bid at 50, 81.50. Stacking at 50, very decent stacking at 50. Held through. Did the offer step in as responsibly? No. So hold on tight for your short. The tape is easier to read like that because you don't have to focus on.
Okay.
Like you just wait for the stock to get to that interaction, and then you look at it, and it's more deterministic. Like the tape is more deterministic at that specific. It's not a specific price, but region. Yeah, you are.
No, I'm liking what I'm hearing.
Sorry.
I agree. Hey, keep talking. This is what we need to hear, right? So, you need to keep talking, Davey. What's that song? There's a song that says, keep talking. Keep talking. No, really. Like, wow. Beautiful clarity.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
No.
Oh no. Let's see. I want to see the offer. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
How's it going?
Good.
I thought so.
All good, Marie. All good.
Okay. I will need to take 2 seconds.
You
break.
take the words out of my mouth because
Did
I
I?
was going to say the same.
Were you?
Yeah,
I
I
really
must
need
take a break. I need to stretch my legs.
Oh, God.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be back in a little bit, and yeah, by the time we come back, maybe PLTI is printing money. Let's see. So, see you in a bit.
Bye.
Okay, we're back, and yeah, let's see what we do.
And Davey's still on fire.
No, I'm not.
Let's see. Oh.
Do-do-do-ding. Do-do-do-do-ding.
Did you see your NVIDIA?
No, I didn't see him. I think it was popping up when I looked at it last time. BDA. Ay, ay, ay.
What a call you had, eh?
Wow, Nvidia. It's like I came out just way too early. It's okay. It was good. It was a very good trade.
That was an amazing trade.
Yeah, it's just yeah, it's what it is. So let's go back to SPY. SPY seems to be wanting to go higher. But let's see. PLTR is doing that push toward 82. I don't think it's gonna hold 82.
You don't think so?
But that's just my opinion. Whatever he wants to do, hey, let's see if he wants to prove me wrong. The tape is looking okay. Is this look like just a trap? I don't know. I really don't know how to look at it yet. But to me, it keep being a short. I'm sorry, but I think you're gonna work at some point, and that's okay. So, Nvidia, Marie, you know what I'm gonna do, Nvidia now, right? And I have a problem with this thing, and like I have to go back to, like we have to brainstorm about that, because I don't know what to do with that. Okay, I'm working on it. If I simplify it just like that, it's not a lot of info, but if I go like this, no, that makes a little bit more sense to me. So
What does?
I'm trying to fish the reversal on Nvidia.
Okay.
If ever it's gonna happen.
145. Double shield.
Yeah, that 145 was the shot. Is that for sure?
It's got a double shield there, right?
You don't even have to let it go too far.
Wow. That 145. Wow. It's over 1,000 blocked.
And you know what is the next price? That I see.
144.50.
143.80. You remember?
Not that. No, not the 143.80.
Oh yeah. SPY put a nice 5-minute candle, so PLT I have a heavy bid at 83, and it's very nice. It's buying more and more, but this time it didn't help. Even with big size, it just didn't hold. So
Oh, SPY is pulling back.
yeah, it's that like the tape on BLTR didn't hold well there. So
What is it looking like?
looking at SPY, and is flushy right now, but this that candle is still very nice. The previous candle in the 5 minutes, and like I'm very tempted to go long on Nvidia.
At the 145?
Maybe a little bit before even.
So SPY didn't go back into the bottom of its range.
This thing is taking its last trade.
That's a fourth?
The 5. This one. But I think it had a flop on it because it's like it's counting this as a hit, but the reality is that the order never got filled. So I see it happening a couple of times. So yeah, I have to find a way to solve that. Are you getting married to the tray? Yes, kind of.
Are you?
Yes, I am married to that tray. That's a mistake from me. So
For NVIDIA or?
no, Nvidia. Nvidia, I will be printing if I will be taking Nvidia, but like PLTR, yeah, PLTR is the one I'm getting married to. So and that's not correct. Look how I went there. Like there is nothing. So.
NVO seems to be.
Yeah, MVO is trying to curl back, like curling back. And yeah, let's see. This time I think PLTR will need to hold us that 82.
It would hold?
It will need to hold. I don't know if you will or not. But look how flushy Nvidia just got right there.
Huge candle.
But it took
SPY's pulling back.
took a little snap in there. If PLTR doesn't get me out, I'm gonna post the trade at the end of the day in the channel. Just for the fun of it. If it doesn't get me out, but I think it will get me out. Like right mentality, wrong timing, but no, I think that's not a right mentality. It doesn't feel like right mentality, so wrong mentality, wrong timing, but right idea.
Right idea.
Right idea.
Correct.
Yeah, that would be it, right?
That
idea.
would be a better.
That could work. And
What?
do I want to do that?
I don't know. Do you?
It's okay. Like I was thinking I can go out at 82, get it back at 82.20
Mm-hmm.
with a little bit more size, like 25% more. And it will be a better trade than what I have now.
Okay.
So though I don't have warranty that I'm gonna get filled. And this is not good, so BDS is not looking that good. So let's see, offer. The offer seems to be 13.
SPY did not make a lower low. PLTR is holding it up.
That would be nice.
SPY gaining strength. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think it worth it.
It's worth it.
Yeah. Go for it. PLTR. Mm-hmm. Again, too low of thinking, like slow thinking.
Why do you say that?
Like, you saw me, like, hey, what happened right here? It's like when Marie say, like when I say I worsted, what I did, I dumped the another 25% at 82 in order to get more short at 82, which will average my price better. And after that, I wouldn't be able to add more, and like that's like I wouldn't be even able to hold the lost
But it didn't
Uh,
get you.
but it didn't. That's exactly like too slow thinking. So like I wait for too much evidence to manifest for me to put the order. So now I put the order. Now it won't get me. I think there is no way that it will get me there.
It go push back up to 82.
Like though the whole trade has a lot of value for me.
Mm-hmm.
Like just the observation point here in this trade, like yes, I know I'm going against the grain, and like it looks like if you're shorting here, like this is 25%, 25%, 25%, and I am trying to add 25% more.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it looks like it could. Look at that.
Like, but that's like the only way for me to explain what I'm looking for is one after the move happen. Like, if it go down, is the only way I can evidence. This is why I was going short, like with that confidence. Like, and of course, like, let's say if I add the 25 here and I take the loss, yes, I'm gonna be red for the day, but am I gonna be like a crazy red for the day? No, I might be red for the day for maybe my average loser per day, like, but like, and if the move manifests, it's just gonna be leveraging in the trade that I already took on Nvidia, because that's what I'm saying here. Like basically, the profit from this, I am giving it away in PLTR because I think it's gonna be juicy.
Okay.
So, do I have technical things behind to support it, like technical analysis to support it behind? Yes.
Okay.
Is it working now? No.
Not yet.
Like you remember, I think I told you this long ago that we don't know how to do this, but I know that because, like for example, the way big firm or hedge funds or those people build up position is because the amount of shares that they want to get
Mm-hmm.
as a whole position is way more than what they could be like what they could be getting from the public today.
Okay.
So these people build up this position at a better price, at the best price, because they have to month to get the whole position. But we don't like that required a lot of money, and like more than a lot of money. It's like a whole process and blah blah blah. It's like based in their size. But my question very long ago to Mary was like, we as a day trader, how could we like entice or try to build positions toward a bigger move that we believe?
Okay.
And I think that this is one way. Like I mean, like you see the stress of the position, like it's not that stressful, and yeah, just get a little bit here, a little bit there, and like as the stock show you how much it can put against you,
Mm-hmm.
you buy more and more using your worst case scenario as whatever the stock have shown to you at that point.
I like it. Seems like I said, your clarity today is. Whoosh.
Oh. La 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 la. The one that got crushed very bad was Nvidia. Like that's very like when I took this trade here on Nvidia, like one of my thinking was, they push it up that early. Like this was pre-market. Like this was pretty much the first big candle in the 5 minute was at 9:05. 9:05. Yes. So the only reason why you will push it that much before the market open, first you have the dominance of the volume, and second you want to entice people to jump with you.
Absolutely.
So-
to create a move.
They will provide the liquidity for you to go out when the stock is screaming at those 149. So But-
What?
does it look like pump and dump? Ay, ay, ay. But they for sure have the dominance volume of it, so it's the player with the biggest amount of shares today. NVO, what is NVO doing? Not much, not much.
Stop.
That's a big failure for NVO. Like very nice push. Hold the VWAP like if we thought that it was going to do something better.
Yep,
It
right
didn't-
there.
Yeah, it didn't hold at all.
Well, finally, the spy's re-entering the range, or not re-entering, touching.
La, 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 la.
Okay, spy's going in. Right dead on. Dead on.
Though, like because of the momentum on it, I don't think it's gonna hold.
So SPY is still at the bottom of the range.
It is very slow, my friend.
Mm-hmm.
Killing me softly.
Go to video.
With this slow.
Just a little bit.
Baila como Juana la cubana.
Oh, sí. Sí.
Solsticios.
¿Qué?
How do you say solsticio in English?
You mean the solstice? Summer solstice?
Yeah.
Winter?
How do you say?
Solstice.
Solstice.
Sí. Okay. What did you just see?
No. Just I was thinking like March 21. Like,
Is it the 21st or the 20th?
I think it's the 21st. I can look at it if I'm not mistaken. It's the 21st. So, solstice. Very nice. So, it will be a spring. Yeah, the 21st.
It is the 21st?
Mm-hmm. And then the summer is the one that is 20, or it's a change. Summer can be 21 or 20. I don't know in what it depends for it to be 21 or 20. But in here it says confirmed that it's the 21 for the spring one.
Are you looking forward to it, David?
Oh yeah, like I have to get my bicycle inside because like I have to grease the bearings.
Ah,
Like I used it the whole year last year, and like yeah, I have to do maintenance on it. So
and a little maintenance.
yeah, so it's
You do it yourself?
yeah, it's it's easy, you know. It's a bicycle.
I was me being funny.
So
If you're able to fix cars and fix machines and huge ones, you're able to fix a bike.
yeah, so yeah, just to see how it perform. Like oh man, this is very patient requirements. Like requiring, it's like so slow. So
We're watching water boil.
yeah, like I have an order to add on PLTR, so I would like PLTR to go slightly higher just to get me like to pick me up at that 82. But it may not happen because the rest of the market is already going somewhere else. So
And SPY is just, I've rigged the range, right? It's making a doji right now. It doesn't seem to want to go anywhere.
like when we look at Nvidia tried to pop up, but like it didn't work. Like I mean, if we look at the 1 minute, like yes, there is some momentum here, but like that's not good. That's not looking that good. I will be interesting into the long at around 44, 144.50 or 145.
Okay.
But maybe I like to see a little bit more of momentum here, which is not there right now. So yeah, PLTR is as I say, very slow. Now it's gonna go for it. But that's the difference. Like this one, I expect it to be a more fast interaction. So or you get me out right away and that's it. Or there we go. I'm gonna get my order. Come on, buy the penny. And you see, there we go. It's like a mathematical equation. Like
You brought it there, David.
no, I yeah, it's usually funny. Yeah, look now bidding 95. So well, now the strength that is inside there is way less than previously. So do I want to move my order just a little bit because I am back running instead of front running? So yeah, 98. That's fair enough, I think. So 98, 81, 98. You should get me because you have sizes and you won't get me there. Ah, man. It will. I think it will.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and let's see. It's a too obvious price. There we go. We got
You
it.
got it,
Yeah.
you got it.
But now I don't want to see this trading above 24, like 82, 24. I don't want to see that. I want you to go down from there.
You don't think that it's
It could go higher, definitely.
Really?
But
I like the way the MACDs are.
yeah, like let's say we go PLTR. We go back to PLTR. Like the RSI is looking healthy. That's for sure. But if we base my decision there in the overall market picture, like SPY, it is very close right now to the VWAP. I'm expecting SPY also to kind of hang around the VWAP or reject it. And why do I say that? Nvidia, yeah, look, Nvidia trying to pop up too, but of course, like if I don't have PLTR, I will be looking for Nvidia long, or maybe MVO as well long.
The issue is with NVIDIA, and I
yeah,
just
well-
looked at the tape with NVIDIA, the 145 is still there. I don't get how it did not get filled.
Well-
It must have been a new position.
What happened is I can show you here, like the print. The print of the candle was 144.92. You have an order there, is what you say?
Yeah, so the order, there's a position on SPY at 145.01 and 145. I don't understand how it's still there. It's 300, it's almost 400 lots. It pierced it through.
On
So
the
it must be
SPY?
a new one. No, on NVIDIA.
Or just a reload?
Could be.
It's
Right.
like
It must have gone through.
I
And now it's
I
just
have another
reloading.
level that I do care about on Nvidia, which is at 43.78. Like if you break the 45,
Yeah, we know
it's
143.
like, oh, well, you can see the interaction. Like I didn't took it from these ones, but if you see, it's blowing my head like how this thing is like that interaction here. That's a 15 minute. I didn't get this line from those. I got those lines from somewhere else, and it's crazy, man. It's so crazy that it's just. But good. So let's just see what he wants to do. So then we go back to PLTR. That was a decent field at PLTR. If you see, can you get better entry than that? Of course. I don't know if I'm gonna be right. I'm being a little bit too counterintuitive here, but I still believe it's the right thing to do, and I have my stop loss at 82.29. Yeah, 82.29 is my stop loss. If we get there, I'm gonna be happy to be out. I do not expect it to go there, and like, but why do I do this when I can take Nvidia and I will be Like, I mean, I now no, but like, because now that short is gone, but like, when I took PLTR, I just should keep shooting NVIDIA. And, yeah, let's see now. You wanna do what? You know what you're gonna do.
What do you want to do?
Thank you. I wanna see it losing the VWAP, but that's a big hope. So as I say previously, even if this trade work, I made a lot of mistakes on it. That's not the right call. It is the right idea, wrong timing, wrong mentality. I was lucky that I was adding little by little. If not, I wouldn't be able to survive that push up.
Yeah, you kept control, right?
So
You controlled your risk.
yeah, that's a big key there. The fact that I have an out.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's not that I'm gonna let it go forever up and then I have a huge loss. No, go to 29. I'm happy you getting me out. You having fun today? Huh?
Mucho. Disfruto mucho.
Very nice, Marine. We do a good thing sometimes.
No, siempre. It's just we don't always see on the same page, but we always make a good team. Don't confuse.
It's okay. I was being funny.
No. Oh God, this is beautiful. I'm so happy.
So crazy.
I'm so happy. I am so happy. I'm trading like a vaca, but I'm so happy. Your clarity. Yeah, for me, when I came in, like the preparation, yeah, we won't do that for the 5 minutes alarm.
Yeah, like,
but it is up to me to pay attention, and obviously I'm better at it than that. But yeah, that just got me really off on my.
Like, I kept going.
I just
intentional,
went super. Oh, gotta go in. Totally FOMO on that, right? So that just I'm trading like a cow right now. Lost.
I know it's not very
know.
clear what she said right there because
I'm talking like a cow. Is that...
No. It wasn't very clear because like what is the 5 minute alarm for us? It's not the 5 minutes after. It's
Yeah,
the
for
5
somebody
minutes
that's not there every morning.
before. So we have a
Correct.
alarm that ring at 9:25. And something that we were talking is that at 9:25 we want to stop looking at not. It's not that we're gonna ignore the market, or if something pop up, it's not that we're gonna ignore it, but it's to more like focus in what you want to do at the open. Why do you want to do that? Because if you go to the open and you are just surfing through stocks, when you get to the open, you don't know which is the one that you're gonna be trading. So you jump here, you jump there, and you don't execute your plan as clear as if you took the last 5 minutes and you say, this is what I want to do when the market open. Oh, it didn't work, at least I follow my plan. But no plan, problem.
Yupper.
That book have a lot of value.
So spies in the range actually open the candle in the range this time. It's above the PCL, but what is it going to do there?
Que lo que.
Que lo que, papi?
Zach have a good one for that one. Zach have a good one that he said related to that one.
What does he do? Is that something you can say on?
No, yeah.
I didn't think so. I didn't think so.
What are you guys? 70s? 70s. Let's see. We go to 90s. Maybe I want to be out. But I don't think you're gonna go tonight. No, yeah, you are stepping down. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, big push on SPY right there, right?
Well, this time I am just reading the tape on PLTR specifically. Let's look at the SPY. Is the SPY pushing up? You say, yeah, nice at the VWAP right now. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, I was looking at the tape on PLTR just to see where those offers were going to step in, and like the tape is accelerating a little bit, and the offer is stepping up little by little, but it's also stepping down. So anything can happen around there, I guess. But I want to see what is the next major move. That major move, yeah, there we go, stepping down. Like what happened with that offering stepping down is like whoever have the shares in their possession, let's say, is accepting a lower price than what it was asking for before. And when you have that evidence, is because like if I was asking for $85 per share on PLTR, why then I will be like, and this is just for a day trading perspective, like this doesn't talk about the value of the stock necessarily.
Why now would you accept 83?
Exactly, why now? Exactly. So if you're accepting 83 now, that means that something that you that have more shares than that I can actually see you like an elephant in the Africa or whatever thing going through with the whole animals, like, oh, there is an elephant, it's so big that you can see it. Yeah, so if I see you like backing up from, like, it's like if an elephant is backing up from a volcano or something like that, like you can see it going through, like, would you go against it? Like what it makes
A herd?
yeah, like there's smoke coming from there, just go the other way, don't breathe that.
Absolutely.
And look at what is Nvidia doing. That's very concerning to me, the Nvidia. But bouncing from the same point. Is your guy there, like the one that was at 145? Ay.
Yep. Now it's going to be. So that went through 145. Okay,
So
so
when we go back to PLTR, the same thing.
1132.
They stepped down about 10 cents. So they are doing a good job, I think, but stepping down yet. So yeah, so for everybody looking, that's like I'm pretty much gonna wrap it up. I had a very nice trade on Nvidia, maybe the best trade of the month. And yes, I did a mistake here. Like I went short here, like full size, and then in here I wanted to take partial, and by mistake, because I was a little bit excited and I was talking too much, I add the double. So I just short the double amount of shares. So then I took a partial that was bigger than what I was willing to take. So making money in your mistakes. So then partial at broke even here. So I broke even here, and that was it. But still very good trade. We are talking about that this is, I shorted at 40. At 48.94, 48.90, something like that. I know it was, or it was 84 or it was 94, like 48.94 or 48.84. This partial here is pretty much almost $2 below. So then,
That's beautiful.
oh, my computer is doing something funny. Okay, then lower. So this is a big trade for what I do normally. So, and yeah, then I went and decided to play with the PLTR. This is a beautiful trade too, and I was lucky because I was getting just 25% here, 25% here, 25% here, and 25% here. Is this efficiency? No, it is not efficiency. Like I was a little bit too stubborn here. So I am holding the trade because I in my opinion, this is gonna lose the VWAP at some point, and then it's gonna be golden. But why would you fight with the strongest stock out there? Like, I mean, if we look at
Well,
Apple, Look at Apple that was pumping up, very good. Look at Microsoft. Look at Tesla. I know they are not the same caliber of a stock, but if PLTR is that strong and you're looking for a short, why don't you go on a guy that is already bleeding? Not in this one that is showing you its strength. So,
Well, I think it's because, like, when we're looking at the tape, it was so strong, that level of 81, and then it just got populated at 50, then it populated at 82. But when we were looking initially, when you went in, the tape was very clear that there was not much after 81,
yeah, for sure. It's
right?
like,
So,
but you hear me calling out that the best price was 82.
oh, absolutely. You said
I-
that at the beginning.
I only add the 82. Like my only ad that was at 82 was the last 25%. So as I say, at the end of the day, if this trade work, I'm gonna post it in the channel, and you people are gonna be able to see what I was looking for in the longest time frame of the day. But yeah, in general, I can say having a good day. So SPY pulling back a bit, but hey, that's still strong. Like now losing the VWAP. That's what I want to see. So at some point, but
That's where I think PLTR will.
take over. Yeah. So what about you? You have QBTS. I know you were looking long, but that's for me. What would you like to add?
No, for me, like I said, I started the day a little razzle. I saw it as long. I did not flip quick enough. I was not able to get the good prices, so I kept chasing. I felt like I was chasing today, jumping in and out. Yeah, not a good day. Not a good day at all. But a fun day seeing you.
Yeah, but like
Really, it was great. Your clarity was great, and yeah. So Monday's going to be a new day, but yeah, today was not a good day for me.
but as I say, like
Preparation is going to be a little
like you and I have
better.
to talk a lot later whenever we have the opportunity. Like I want to show you a couple of things I find in my hey, let's see why I'm doing so poorly, like last week, let's say. And yeah, I want to show a couple of things to you, but like in general, like to have your feedback, like to see what you see in there, if you see any
Sure.
value. But like that PLTR, for me, that PLTR more than a trade for me to make money on it is an observation point. Like I mean, like I know why I'm going short in there, and I am just waiting for it to manifest, if it's gonna ever manifest. So yeah, very nice week for me. Very nice week in general, and I hope everybody is having fun. If you get any value from these videos, feel free to like and subscribe. And yeah, that's gonna be everything for today. I hope everybody enjoyed the weekend, and bye.
Have a great weekend.
Bye, everybody. Have a good day.
Bye.